Respiratory illnesses tend to ramp up around the holidays, and the number of flu cases in Connecticut is way up this year. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney is here to break down the numbers. I have to confess, I took a peek ahead at the numbers. Wow.
Yeah, Mike, it is no joke. We are in the thick of flu season, according to experts. Now, let's take a look at some of this data. As of December 20th, there were over 5,000 new flu cases in Connecticut, making that week a 1,500% increase from that time last year.
My entire household had it.
And I was like in bed the whole day. It was horrible.
If you haven't had the flu yet, you'll want to keep it that way.
Wash our hands constantly. My kids are tired of hearing me say that.
It's making itself known in Connecticut households this year and in hospitals too.
We have about 10 times as many patients admitted with the flu than with COVID or RSV. So flu really seems to be the predominant virus this year. It's driving a lot of the strain on our healthcare system.
At Yale New Haven Hospital, Dr. Scott Roberts tells us they're seeing the highest amount of flu admissions they've had in years. And it's not just New Haven. Data from the Connecticut Department of Health shows a 130% increase of hospitalizations right now versus last year, and a 141% increase in flu deaths too.
By some metrics, we are already worse this flu season than last flu season. Maybe it will be a shorter flu season and will end early, but there's no signs of this slowing down.
Data shows flu cases for the week leading up to the 27th are up 291% compared to this time last year.
We're seeing that it's also very transmissible. And so at this time of year, when people are inside because it's cold and they're staying warm, it's also a time for holiday gatherings and people are getting together.
Dr. Tracy Marquise-Eadman at Quinnipiac's Frank Netter School of Medicine says, even though we're in the thick of it, it's not too late to be vaccinated against the flu, which can help lessen the symptoms if you do catch it down the road.
But not only are you protecting yourself, you're also protecting others who live with you and who are close to you.
Now, both doctors spoke to me about these relatively new over-the-counter test kits that test for both the flu in addition to COVID-19. They recommend giving them a try because it could help inform the treatment you get. But of course, like any other test, the outcome could change based on the symptoms you have when you take the test. Now, Dr. Roberts also told me they seem to be in shorter supply than usual given the high demand we're seeing right now. Live in the studio, Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News. Mike.
That 1,500% increase caught my attention right away. Thanks, Melissa.